15 successful trading strategies for beginners. One of the most popular strategies for beginners is trend following. Identify established market trends and ride them. Capture shorter-term price movements within a trend. Identify pivot points and trade the swings. Open and close positions within the same trading day. Focus on capturing small price movements and profiting from intraday volatility. Profit from small price fluctuations within seconds or minutes. Requires quick decision-making and precision. Look for instances when an asset's price breaks through a significant level of support or resistance. Anticipate that the momentum will continue in the direction of the breakout. Suitable when an asset's price is trading within a well-defined range. Buy near support levels and sell near resistance levels, profiting from price oscillations. Believe that asset prices tend to return to their historical average. Buy when undervalued and sell when overvalued. Assess an asset's intrinsic value by examining financial statements, economic factors, and industry conditions. Rely on historical price data and chart patterns to predict future price movements. Use indicators like moving averages, RSI, and MACD. Assess market sentiment through news, social media, and sentiment indicators.